Okay, so welcome to this conditional sentences, and today is mixed conditional sentence. So this is gonna be more challenging. You know why it is more challenging? I'll tell you, because in every type, whatever the types we have done, type 0, type 1, type 2, type 3, everything, there was a process. There was a process which we followed. The problem in the mixed sentence is there is no process. There is no process. It is mix like khichdi. You know, like in type 0, you know that we can use present and present. In type 1, we know that it is present and will I can use and may I can use. In type 3, we know it is past indefinite, you know, but in type mixed is basically, and you know, most of the time we use this only. Most of the time we use mix only. Most of the people, they use mix type. Mix means it talks about you know, there is no formula. कोई फॉर्मूला ही नहीं है इसमें, सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है इसमें, सिर्फ अंडरस्टैंडिंग है. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड समथिंग. व्हाट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड? You have to understand it is real or it is imaginary. There is nothing more than that. ये हो सकता है या ये नहीं हो सकता है. So there is nothing, no formula, no success formula, nothing. This is all based off your common sense, your regular practice. People who practices, you know, people who practice more all these conditional sentence, उनके लिए थोड़ा सा easy होगा. But only the problem is there are no rules here. The more you practice, you will get that. So please don't tell me why this happened, because वो जो बनाया है उसको भी नहीं पता, उसने सब कुछ मिला दिया है. You know, now one condition can, you can speak one type of sentence in 2-3 ways. Means आप एक सेंटेंस को बहुत वे से बोल सकते हो. I'll show you that, then you will understand. Okay, so let's go ahead and learn conditional sentence type mix. इसीलिए यहाँ पे टाइप 4 नहीं लिखा है. दे आर वेरी स्मार्ट, यू नो, they have made it type mix. Let's see what is that. This conditional sentence में अब वो बात नहीं है क्या प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट होगा, you know, past perfect होगा. They talk about only two things. You are talking about a real condition, you are talking about a real condition, or you are talking about an unreal condition. That is the only condition. जो भी आप बोल रहे हो, जो भी condition, whatever condition you are talking about, that is real or unreal. Okay, so let's talk about, let's go for real condition. अच्छा, see, there are many people, they are feeling कि sir mix मतलब है कि मैं type 2 type 3 को mix कर दूं, type 1 type 0 को mix कर दूं. Again I'm telling you, you can do that, but there is no any such rule. You will find in this mix type some types that we have done, they are also coming. मतलब जो भी types हमने अभी तक किया है वो लोग भी आएंगे अभी. कुछ कुछ हमने नहीं किया है वो भी आएंगे. मतलब mix type has no rules. Okay, so ऐसा नहीं है, but yes, you will come across lot of known sentences. That's fine. So let's talk about mixed real situations. Means real situation. Really, it is possible. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's see. See this sentence. If it rains on Saturday, we will cancel the class. अगर उसको आप अच्छे से देखोगे तो ये कौन सा कंडीशन लग रहा है? ये टाइप 1. थिंक अबाउट इट, नो नीड टू आंसर, थिंक अबाउट इट. ये बोले ना सब कुछ मिक्स मतलब पूरा पुराना जितना भी हमने हिस्ट्री सिविक्स किया है इसका कंडीशनल का, they all will come and say hi. Okay, so if it rains on Saturday, we will cancel the class. We will, ये type 1 में हमने ऐसे sentence पढ़ा था. Type 1, not type 2. Type 1 we learned this. Type 2 नहीं था वो. Okay. So what are the words coming? If it is starting with if, then subject is coming, then verb is coming with present, and then in result it is subject and then will plus verb. So this is the normal formula. But in this mixed type, don't try to learn formula, because no formula will work here. I'm just showing you that this is a part of conditional one and we are using it here. So this we already learned. So this is a real condition. This is possible. This is possible. And yes, this we learned in first conditional sentence. We learned this in first conditional sentence. Mix will have everything. You will face first, second, third. All conditionals are mixed here. Okay, I'll come for all the questions that you might have right now, but let me complete it and then we can talk more about it. Okay, let's see the next situation. You see, we can speak the same sentence in so many ways. If it rains on Saturday, we will have to cancel the class. If it rains on Saturday, could you bring some umbrellas? Now we have changed. We started with the result. How are you going to have a class if it rains on Saturday? All the real situations have been used here. आप भी कुछ ऐड कर सकते हो अपने आप से, but वो real होना चाहिए. That should be real. So this is the reason, you know, we are using a different kind of sentences here. If it rains on Saturday, we will cancel the class. ये तो एक condition में आता था, that is, but यहाँ पे हम लोग mix condition कर रहे हैं, तो now all new sentence will come up here. If it rains on Saturday, we will have to cancel the class. Now it is, we will have to cancel. So that is also possible. If it rains on Saturday, could you bring some umbrellas? We can speak in this way also. How are you going to have a class if it rains on Saturday? Okay, so that if clause, that if is there, that if is there, वो एक ही चीज common है, that is if it rains on Saturday. And after that, everything is what is mixed now. And these are all real conditions. These are all real conditions. Ushashi, you have any question? Yeah.
Yeah, actually, what I think that maybe we are actually making the sentence with type 1 and mix it with some other types like
yes, absolutely. But that other types may not be the type 2, type 3, type 4. That could be some of sentence.
Anything.
Yes.
So I will actually make it in means Bengali. So can we say in that way that যদি শনিবার দিন বৃষ্টি হবে তাহলে আমি ক্লাস ক্যান্সেল করব, so in that way
Right.
can make it that if it will rain on Saturday, then the class will be cancelled. So
Yeah.
that
Now the next sentence, you can add anything. The next sentence, the result sentence, you can add anything you want. But that should be grammatically correct, but you can add anything. You can add even passive sentence also.
Yeah.
You can
So
add anything.
So first sentence can be in any tense.
Yeah. First sentence can be any tense, but first sentence here we have seen we are using conditional 1 and 2. You know, the first sentence is coming from condition 1 and 2.
Okay.
We are doing all the changes in the result part. We can add lot of new result sentences. Let's do some more practice. This you have to remember, this you have to use, you have to use your own mind and you have to speak. Basically, there are no any such rules here. Okay, let's see some others. So these are mixed real conditions. These are mixed real conditions. Okay, these whatever you can see here, these are all real condition. Means this is possible. This could possible. I may cancel the class. I could bring somebody could bring umbrellas. So these are all real conditions, conditionals. Now let's go for unreal condition. But before that, let's do one thing. I will give you 3 jumbled sentence. Okay, I'll give you 3 jumbled sentence. You have to arrange it and try to write the answer in the chat box. I'll give you time. There are 3 sentences. So if I give you 2 minutes for one sentence, so I'll give you 6 minutes. Okay, so please be ready. I'll give you some jumble. अपने अपने बच्चों को बहुत जंबल कराए हैं. अब आपका समय है कुछ जंबल करने का. Okay, so now go for some jumble sentences and you have to arrange all this. Okay, so this 1, 2, 3. Please arrange these sentences. These are all mixed type. So ज़्यादा इसको मतलब अरेंज मतलब ज्यादा कंडीशन में पढ़ने मत जाइए. अभी जो आपको देख के लग रहा है वैसे ही आप लिखिए अपने चैट बॉक्स में या अपने कॉपी में पहले लिखिए. ट्राई टू राइट डाउन इन योर कॉपी. इफ पॉसिबल आई कैन कम टू यू एंड आई कैन आस्क यू. Number 1, more slowly a little. Please don't mind. Speak if you could. You get into a lot harder once too. If Rob, a top university works needs to leave the front door, the house lock. Remember to when you. Wow, अच्छा है. Try to write down the right sentence. You have 5 minutes to go. These are all conditional. So it may vary because these are mixed conditional. So you have to use your own experience. It may match with the conditionals which we have done. Don't be so creative. Try to use your mind. Use your mind and answer. Has anybody done one? The first one? Please raise your hand if you have done. Acha, Josna has done the first one. Wow, that's great. Very nice. Is okay? Okay, Suman has done. Pooja has done. Wow. Khushbu has done. Meenakshi has done. Wow, that's great. The first one. Okay. Okay. Okay, if you have got any sentence, you have. Acha, are you guys writing? Okay, if you don't mind, please speak a little slow. ये क्या मुझे बोला गया? नहीं, अच्छा sentence है. Okay. मैं थोड़ा confused हो गया. If you please don't mind, please speak a little slowly. Okay. Could you please speak a little more slowly? Don't mind. If you don't mind, could you speak a little slowly? Wow, some good sentences are coming. If you don't mind a little, could you please speak more slowly? Okay, wonderful words are coming. Okay, if you speak more slowly, sabka sentence alag. Oh my God. All are using their own mind and answering. Fine. If you speak more slowly, could you please don't mind, huh? Okay. If you don't mind, could you please speak a little more slowly? Okay, many permutation combination. If you don't mind, a wind ho gaya wahan pe. Okay, if you don't mind, could you please speak a little more slowly? This more slowly, okay. Acha, now number 2. Only 2 minutes left. Number 2, please, if you can write down in the chat box, I'm reading. If you don't mind, acha, if you don't mind, kitna mind? Okay, if you don't mind, please, could you speak a little more slowly? Okay, okay, fine. Okay, if Rob wants to get into a top university, he needs to a lot harder. He needs to what? When you leave the house, you remember to lock the front door. Okay. If you don't mind, please, could you speak a little more slowly? If you don't mind, could you speak more slowly? Okay. If Rob wants to get into a top university, he needs to work harder. हाँ, ये कोमल जी का सही लग रहा है मेरे को. Anu Singh, if you don't mind, please, you could speak. No, Anu. I think there's some slight issues. Okay. If Rob wants to get into top university, he needs to work a lot harder. This sounds good. Josna Verma, if Rob wants to get into top university, he needs to work a lot harder. Yeah, this is if you don't mind, you speak slowly. Poonam, if Rob wants to get, okay, fine. Number 3rd, have you written number 3rd? When you leave the house, remember to lock the front door. If Rob wants to get into top university, he needs to work a little harder. Okay, now let me show you what is the right answer. Almost many people you have gone for the right answer. Now you can check. If you don't mind, could you speak a little more slowly, please? If you don't mind, okay. If you don't mind, could you please speak a little more slowly? So you can use please, aage bhi, baad mein bhi. That is, please is not the main problem. Please, you can use it later, you know, at last also, not a problem. So you are starting a sentence. If you don't mind, could you speak a little more slowly, please? Let's go for the next sentence. If Rob wants to get into a top university, he needs to work a lot harder. Absolutely right. So imagine these kind of sentences are totally different, the mixed sentences. You just have to find out real, unreal. When you leave the house, remember to lock the front door. When you leave the house, remember to lock the front door. Okay, so these are all the example of mixed condition, real. These are all real conditionals. Okay, so let's go for some unreal condition. Some unreal condition. So unreal means now some, I think then we will touch type 3, type 2 and 3 also here. Which type 2, 3 add ho sakte hain yahan pe, because those are also some hypothetical conditions. So we might encounter those type 3 and type 2. Let's go ahead and see. Okay, If I win the lottery, I will quit my job. If I win the lottery, I will quit my job. I think this condition is a real condition. This is not an unreal condition. And this is from type 1 only. This is also from type 1 only. Now, if I tell you, can you make the same sentence, make it unreal in any, you do some permutation combination, you do some addition and subtraction from the sentence. Can you make some sentence, imaginary sentence? If you can, then please write in the chat box. Can you make some unreal sentence with this same sentence? Unreal sentence. Unreal. You can try this. I'm waiting to see your sentences in the chat box. Can you make some unreal sentence? Because this sentence is a real sentence. I'm okay. If I quit my job, I will win the lottery. No, 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 no. What sentence is this? Unreal. If I quit my job, I will win. If I win the lottery, I will see. Unreal situation means you have to use past here. You have to use some past sentences. Agar ye hota, unreal, because imaginary hai, hypothetical hai. You have to talk about some past event. If I win the lottery, I'll buy. If I had won the lottery, I would have quit the job. This is right. Absolutely, Preeti. I will not quit the job when I will win the lottery. Okay. I have one sentence. I'm showing you one sentence. This is a real condition. Okay. Now this C. If I won the lottery, I would quit my job. If I won the lottery, I would quit my job. अगर मैं लॉटरी जीतता तो मैं अपना जॉब क्विट कर देता. In this sentence, okay, please now see this sentence. We have if, subject, verb, past, and subject, word, and plus verb. And this is an unreal situation, unreal conditional. If I won the lottery, I would quit my job. I would quit my job. Okay, let's see some other example. Some unreal conditions. Some unreal condition. If I weren't so busy, I would take a vacation. अगर मैं busy नहीं होता, if I weren't so busy, I would take a vacation. See, these are the mixed conditions, conditionals. So you have to remember these kind of sentences. Because the only problem is they don't have any rule, any formula. So you just have to remember. You just have to use few of the clauses, few if from other conditions which we have already done. Yes, any, I think some people have raised hands. Sudha, you have any question?
No, sir.
Okay, now your hand is raised. Anybody who would like to ask anything? See, this you have to remember what kind of sentence we are doing here. These are the mixed unreal condition, जो अभी possible नहीं है. Unreal conditional. See, this is also one of the type. If I had won the lottery, I would have quit my job. And this we had already done in type 3. If I had won the lottery, I would have quit my job. So this is also a part of mixed. So mixed having all the other feature of all the other conditionals. So you just have to, ये हम लोग अगर थोड़ा if we focus more on type 0, type 1, type 2 and type 3, I think our purpose will be solved. Some extra if we know from this mix, I think it will add some value. If I had won the lottery, I would have quit my job, or I would quit my job. That was also unreal condition. But this condition is talking about past. मैं कर लेता. If I had won the lottery, I would have quit my job. मैं अपना job कब का quit कर लेता. It is talking about past. Yeah, Neelam, you want to ask anything?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, here quit का वर्ब चेंज हो जाएगा ना सर, वर्ब
जो
फैमिली quit.
हाँ, तो क्या होगा?
Because of have.
हाँ, तो क्या होगा? Past participle.
हाँ.
तो quit का past participle क्या है, मैडम?
Quitted.
कौन बोला? थोड़ा मेरे को बुलाओ, कौन बोला आपको quitted?
सर मुझे पता नहीं है.
हाँ, तो वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ. Quit is the past participle.
अच्छा, इसका मतलब वो क्या है? Present.
Present quit, past quit, past participle quit, all quit.
Quit.
Yes,
all.
yes,
Okay.
absolutely. Anu Singh, you want to ask something?
So, in your example, if I were not so busy, I would take a vacation. That is I think that is a real condition. Not real कैसे हो गया? जब मेरे पास already काम नहीं रहेगा, तो मैं छुट्टी पे तो जाऊंगी ना.
अरे, if I weren't so busy, मतलब मैं अगर busy नहीं होती या होता, तो वो तो हुआ नहीं ना. मैं तो काफी busy था उस समय. वो तो रियल कंडीशन नहीं है. रियल कंडीशन क्या है कि मैं बहुत बिजी था. अनरियल कंडीशन क्या है कि मैं बिजी नहीं. तो दिस इज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अनरियल कंडीशन व्हिच डिडंट हैपन. अनरियल मतलब जो नहीं हुआ. मैं बिजी था तो मैं फ्री नहीं था उस समय, इसीलिए मुझे वेकेशन नहीं मिला.
ओके, अगर मैं बिजी नहीं था तो अनरियल, अगर मैं बिजी था तो रियल हो जाएगा, है ना सर?
हाँ, देख यहाँ पे
और सर अगर ये एग्जांपल हो, if I am an education minister, I would close all the school. तो क्या?
नहीं, वैसे नहीं होगा
ये भी
मैडम.
अनरियल होगा.
नहीं, if I am, so you are doing conditional 0 now. अभी आप 0 में चली गई, conditional 0 में चली गई. ठीक है. If I am the education minister, next sentence क्या है आपका?
I will close all the school.
But you cannot speak the same sentence. ऐसे करके you cannot speak like this. There are certain ways to speak this kind of sentence. If I had been, अगर मैं होता, अगर मैं होता, if I had been the prime minister, if I had been the prime minister, you cannot say if I am the prime minister. अगर मैं prime minister हूं, so अगर मैं prime minister हूं तो आप वैसे sentence नहीं बना सकते ना. हर सेंटेंस का एक वे होता है. अगर मैं प्राइम मिनिस्टर हूं इज द रॉन्ग सेंटेंस. अगर मैं प्राइम मिनिस्टर होता, हूं नहीं, आप तो हो नहीं, यू कैनॉट से लाइक दैट. इफ आई हैड विंग्स आई वुड फ्लाई इन द स्काई. एब्सोल्युटली राइट चित्रा जी. Okay, let me finish it off and then we'll go for unreal conditionals. If I had won the lottery, I would have quit my jobs. Here, quit is a past participle. So don't worry. This is not a present verb, quit. Absolutely, we need to. We will do next class. We will do some more practice. We will do some more test because ye mix ka, but the mix is something we have to practice. But I'm telling you, at least type 0, 1, 2, 3. This should be clear. This should be clear. That is the basic. Type 0 to type 3 is a basic. And these are some extra, some mix, which we have not, included there. See this sentence. If Raj had told me it was his birthday today, I would have bought her a present, or I would have bought him a present. Sorry. Yeah, her nahi hoga. Him. Raj is a boy here. So in this case, this is the formula. Okay, just a minute. Let me write him. We will do one more test to so that I can you can make some sentences with mix conditionals. I'll give you, don't worry. Okay, if Raj had told me it was his birthday today, I would have bought him a present. I would have bought him a present. Again, this somehow related to the third conditional जो हमने किया है. Third condition से ये मिलता है. If Raj had told me it was his birthday today. So mix is all about mixing all the previous conditionals and some new probabilities, some new conditions. Okay. कुछ धमाकेदार कुछ किया जाए. Mix unreal condition, match the conditions. Okay. Let's do one thing. Now I'll give you the matching. You have to do the right matching and you have to make the whole sentence. Okay. So please be ready. 7:05 right now. So I'll give you at least 15 minutes to complete this task. 15 minutes. You have to match the following. You must have done this so many times. So you have to match the following and all the sentences are mixed type. So you have to use your own brain, not about only thinking about the types. You have to use your mind. Okay, so let's see the sentences. Now, please do this. Your 15 minutes starts now. Please try to make the sentences. You can take a snapshot from your mobile so that you get the same saved also. And now please do this. Don't take anybody's help. Harder in school. Some are repeated also. So if you feel your answers are right, give a nice pat on your shoulder that yes, you have done much better, because you need that. Okay, let's go for the right answer. Please mute yourself so that we can. Okay, so the right answers are if Rob had worked harder in school, he could have gotten into top university. If I had won the lottery, I would be sitting on a beach in Hawaii right now. If Rainy hadn't yelled at her boss, she would still have a job. If Arjun were a smart investor, he wouldn't have bought those worthless shares.
This one is last one.
If I didn't have so much work, homework, I wouldn't have stayed home, or I wouldn't gone to movies with. I would have gone to movies with all my friends.
The last one.
So you are left with only one, that is D, and D is the right answer. So last was, if I hadn't lost my passport, I would be going to the conference in Vienna next week.
So it was correct. Okay. Me also.
Okay, any more? Because today we will be ending our session here. Next Tuesday, we will be again repeating the same mix conditional, because this is very complex and we'll do more, more practice. And I think most of the people, they have done all correct here. That's very good.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
Anita,
sir,
tell me.
Sir, actually, in my time, always I am on the way. Just I have listened. Not
Okay.
doing anything.
Don't worry, I have
But please
recorded
send
the
me
session.
PDF,
Don't worry.
sir.
I have
Okay, sir.
recorded the session. I will share it
Sir.
with you all. Don't worry.
Yes,
And
sir.
I'll be
Okay.
also sharing with you the PDF of the today, whatever we have done, having all the conditionals. So
Yes,
you
sir.
will get it by tonight in recreation group.